Hello guys, I am Adhik and in this video we'll learn how to make an orchestra system using the Smocode IDE. Let's start making this circuit. We'll require our previous circuit of sound, which is the right side section of the speaker and transistor, and two male to female wires, a resistor with the color bands brown, black and orange as shown on the screen, a capacitor of 10 microfarad and an LDR sensor. We'll start with by connecting the LDR sensor in this fashion on the breadboard in the middle. Now we'll take the capacitor and connect its longer leg or the positive side and connect it to the right end of the LDR and connect the negative end of the capacitor to the negative line of the breadboard. We'll now take the resistor and bend it so that it's easy for us to connect it on the breadboard and connect it between the LDR's right leg and the negative line of the breadboard. Please note the LDR can be connected in any way on the breadboard. Just make sure that they are on two separate lines, two separate vertical lines. Now connect the left leg of the LDR with Smocode 3v3 pin or the 3.3 volt pin and connect the right leg of the LDR, which is the light dependent resistor, to pin number 13 of the Smocode Think Mini. We'll now connect USB to our circuit. Let's launch the Smocode IDE and code for the project. We'll see a list of nodes on the palette. From that, pick the on interval node and set its interval to 0.05 seconds. Connect an analog read node and in the configuration menu, click on the pencil icon and set the pin number to pin number 13. Click add, click done. Now connect a map node to our analog read node and set its configuration for input field to take the digital value or whatever name is being output by our analog read. If the analog read in my case is outputting on the variable digital underscore value. So we have input here digital underscore value. Then make sure the x1 and x2 are 0 and 4095 and y1 and y2 are changed to 700 and 4000. Click done and take a sound node and connect it to the map node. In the sound node, click on the tone and select mapped or type it out to connect the output of the map node on the input of the sound node. Let's click on the pencil icon to finish the configuration. The output pin of the analog right node, which is the sound node's configuration, should be pin number 21. Click done and the code is ready. We can save the code and click on verify button. The verification was successful. Now let's upload the code. It will ask us to press the boot button for a while. As we can see, the project has started to work and the speaker has also started creating sounds. Now we'll keep our fingers closer, bring our fingers closer to the LDR sensor, and we can see as we are moving our fingers up and down above the sensor, the sound created by the speaker changes. That's all for this project, guys. Do keep this circuit, we'll require it for the next project. For more details and explanation, check the website documentation link in the video description. Hope you guys like the video. See you in the next project.